Huh? You want me to help you squish it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here comes Mommy. I'm a professional Play-Doh squisher. Ready? Squish! Squish! Squash!
Not to me.
Squish! 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 All right. Now lift it off. Oh, you want it? This is good. Look. Look. Now you can make a star, or you can do a circle, or you can make little patterns. Ooh, look at the patterns. Now, Joey, what are you going to do?
Star.
You going to do a star too?
Oh.
Oh, here's a star.
Star. Hold on.
Ooh, and here's a big flower. Look, you can make a big flower. You guys, it is not dinner time. It's not. Sorry. Sam, it's not. I love seeing your creations. Careful, don't fall.
Here's our for you.
Oh. What? Oh, you
Keep
dropped the
it.
star. Oh, what? Look at this beautiful star that my Joey made me. I don't know if the camera's focusing.
Mom, look. There's
Oh, I
another
love it.
star.
You're good at this.
Mom, I'm cooking.
Yeah?
I'm going to do another one.
You want to do another one? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll roll it up in a ball and then we'll squish it down again. You're doing it. Rolling, 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 rolling that Play-Doh.
I'm going to get ball.
Put it down and lean on it and squish. Here, I'll help you. Squash! Squashers! Wait, hold on. Squishers! Oh, you did it. Look at all those stars. These are really well cut out stars.
Look! I'm making a circle.
You made a circle.
You never circle.
You guys.